Hello everyone, welcome back to our channels and hope you are doing good. My name is Priti Gupta. So आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एक इम्पोर्टेंस मीडियम लेवल क्वेश्चंस जो इंटरव्यू में बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ओके, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आवर क्वेश्चन इज find the duplicate element in array. Okay, so let's do the things. So we have a given array. We have a given array. Array is what? Just a minute. We have a given an array is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay. We have to we have to remove a duplicate. How we do that? We have to remove a duplicate element in this. Means we have to find a unique element. Okay. So this is the approach we have to find it. How can you do that? Tell me. So we can first approach we can use in two pointers, like it's slow and fast both at simultaneously. And analogy we can use in लाइन में एक बंदा यूनिक आईडी चेक कर रहा है. अगर डुप्लीकेट होगा तो उसको क्या करेगा, अवॉइड करेगा. सो दिस इज द थिंग्स यू हैव टू फाइंड इट. ओके. So how can you do that? We have to give in. So we use to some like we have to use in two pointers. How can you do it? So we have to use like some two pointer approach. Z is equal to 0. We just check it. This is check it to find the duplicate element. Okay. J is basically to find a slow pointer means this is find for duplicate element. Place for a unique element. Okay. Let's traverse the things using for loop. Place for unique. Okay. Let's traverse the things for let. Oh, sorry, not let. Int I equal to 0. I is less than arr dot length and I plus plus. Okay. Then we just check if arr of sorry arr of I is not equal to arr of j. Means what? We find means AR of I is not equal to AR of J. They are a unique, if not equal to, then they found a unique value. Okay. Then we just, then unique found. Okay. And what we'll do? We just increase the place of unique. A plus plus. Oh, sorry, J plus plus. Not in K, J plus plus. Okay. And then we swap the value of AR of J. We store the unique value of. Okay. So this is the approach. So this is the we can consider it as a pointer. Okay. J is just like a pointer. We just find J is basically to work as a find the duplicate like unique value. Okay. So J, that's why if AR of I is not equal to AR of J, then J, they said that they are a unique value. We have to find it. If they are matlab, two values is not equal, then they are a unique value. Okay. Then we what we do, we just increments the as a pointer. Okay. We just go to the again AR of index of what. Okay. And then we store the value of unique value in J pointer. Store unique value. Store unique value. Okay. Yes. And okay, we just printed which one is unique value. Then we just go to these things and system.out.ln system system.out.print unique element. Okay, we just print using this loop because uh we find all the like remove all the duplicate, right? And which one is unique value? So we just print I equal to 0 and I is less than equal to j because j is the unique value we found it and I plus plus. Okay, and we just printed the value of system.out.println arr of system dot out dot print arr of I. Some gap. Okay, okay, we use some println. Yeah, just print it. Okay. So unique element is what? One, 2, 3, and 4. So unit element, we just remove the duplicate element, right? One is duplicate, we just put one element, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Okay. So our unique element is what? 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So this is the find. We find the unique element means remove the duplicate elements. Okay. This is the we find the unique element. Okay, let's do in JS also. This is the this code is basically for Java. Let's do in JS also, JavaScript also. Okay, I'm saying as key terminal. Okay, same as they are given some array and we we use J because we pointing as a unique element. Okay, let's try over the things for let I equal to 0 and I is AR dot in their length means array length. We traverse to the array length and we just so sorry use curly braces if AR of I AR of I is not equal to AR of J. Okay, so we just increment the pointer of unique pointer of the place and we store we store unique value yk we store a unique value. Okay, this is the things. Let's print it. So sorry, console.log unique elements. Let's traverse them again. Or let I equal to 0, I is less than equal to I is less than equal to j and I plus plus. Let's print the value console.log arr of I and some gap. It's loading. Give me a moment and let's check. mm, 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 mm. So, if you have any I think you are confusion on J, right? Why we using J? So J is called a slow pointer. It's always point to the last unique element. Okay. So in a sleep, the inertial value J is 0, means pointing the first element. Okay. First indexes. Then we traverse them. I equal to 1 and I is their length and I plus plus. So I is the first pointer. It scan the array from I to in, like 1 to in, and it check every element, means traverse the element. Why start from 1? Because first element is always unique. Okay, that's why. So we check if ARR of I is not equal to ARR of J, because this is the heart of the logic. This is the logic, right? Because if current element ARR of I is different from last unique element ARR of J, then we found a unique element, right? If you are not different, then how can you find it? If it's similar, then we can. We are. Our question is what? We find a unique element. Okay, that's why we compare the things. Okay, so and if you find unique element, we just increase the j plus plus, means move j forward. Okay, because we found a new unique element, we just check one element we already found, then we just found unique element, so now we need the position to store it. Okay, that's why we move forward as j. Okay, let's say if AR of J is equal to AR of, and the last one is what? AR of J is equal to AR of, store the element at the correct position. We just store the element as the correct position. We overwrite the duplicate and no extra array is used also. Okay. So this is the overall of the logic of this code. Okay. So let's do the diagram. Like our element is what? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, right? And our array is what? First index is I, and AR of I is equal to 1. Okay, because AR of 1 is 1 and AR of 0 is also what? 1. Okay, check both condition is what? Both condition is true, right? AR of 0 and AR of J is both I and J is what? True. We just what? Avoid it. Avoid, and we just avoid, and j is also as a 0 also, because we can't increase the value as z. Okay, and the overall of our array is what? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, right? Same as well. Then go to the second index, means I equal to 2. I equal to 2. Okay, so AR of I is equal to what? AR of I is equal to what? 2. Okay, so AR of J is equal to S1. Still one, both are different, right? AR I is not equal to AR of J, different. So what we do? We J plus plus. We store the value of J. As so J is equal to what? 1. So our duplicate element is removed. So our new array is what? 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 2, comma 2, 3, comma 4. Okay, this is the way. So for again we check as so on, and we just the final unique element we from index 0 to I, and we just print the value of only unique element, means I is equal to 0, I is equal to less than j, and j plus plus. We just print the value of this. Okay, so this is the way we like, and the unique element means remove the duplicate elements of array. Okay, hope you got the things. Okay, my screen is not visible. Yeah, so unique element is was 1, 2, 3, and 4. That time I mistake on some gap because we are using JS, right? So we using backticks in JS. Okay. So this is the way we have to do that in find the unique element in array means that we have to find the like remove the duplicate element. Okay. So that's all today, and tomorrow we'll discuss more, another like middle level questions, which are most of the asks in interview. So if you like these channels, please like and subscribe, and hope you got the things. If you have any query in previous sessions, please let me know, and please comment on chat box. And bye bye. Take care. Keep learning. Keep growing because and don't waste your time because your time is very 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 important. So, okay. So bye bye. Take care and take care of health also. Bye.